Before borders, before flags, we crossed the sea by canoe, guided by stars. This is Micronesia. Across the western Pacific tide, small islands rise with ancient pride. 2.9 million miles of sea, not empty, full of memory. Our ancestors looked to the sky, reading stars as maps to guide. Canoes of courage, wind and faith, the ocean road, they never strayed. They knew the waves, the winds, the signs, the moon, the birds, the stars aligned. From island to island, heart to heart, the ocean was our chart. We are Micronesia, people of the deep blue sea, star-guided souls, one destiny. Though borders came and lines were drawn, our sacred knowledge carries on. Love your neighbor, just like he said, words of our Lord in red. We are Micronesia, forever will be. One ocean, one heart, one family. From reef to reef, from shore to shore, we crossed the night long before. No compass, no machine in hand, just sky, canoe, and sacred land. That wisdom lives inside us still, passed from elders hill to hill. Though modern days may try to change, the stars still call our name. We did not drift, we navigated. We did not guess, we calculated. Stars above, ocean below, ancient knowledge we still know. We did not drift, we navigated. We did not guess, we calculated. Stars above, ocean below, ancient knowledge we still know. From island to island, we sail. Kaseleli, Hofade, Rananim, Mogante, Lenwo, Yakwe, Maori, Ali. One ocean, one heart, welcome home. We are Micronesia, hear the ocean say, remember the stars that showed the way. We may be small in the world's eyes, but ancient wisdom makes us rise. One nation, one heart, one sea, under one God eternally. We are Micronesia, stand and see. One people, now and forever be. From canoe to coast, from past to now, we honor the stars, we make this vow. Kalangan to the way we've come. Micronesia, forever one.